Dark agenda, young Sicilian dark agenda. Yeah. Jumped up my back with my homie half that. Murder is the case that they gave you. You got one to get you can't save me. Late, shit is crazy. Still driving Miss Daisy, kinda hazy. Stop smoking, ain't no joking. Motherfuckers trying to put a bullet in your head. If not, put a cancer in your head. Or not, the injection. Put a lethal injection from a rocket bullet. Apocalypse now, my nigga. Machiavelli returned, the 7-day theory. Let it burn, burn Hollywood, burn Hollywood. Yo, still watching them fucking movies. Been trying to get you out of this TV. Tell a live vision, ain't no vision when you got your fucking on the TV. Then you got your own vision, you got them vision. Nigga, get out, 645 chick up. If not, break up, fuck it. Drive with the car to the 5th Avenue. Yeah, drive the car to the Jacob. Man, it's a robbery in progress. Put your hands in the air, got a vest, double vest, so aim at my fucking chest. Nigga, this ain't chess, but it's a checkers. Niggas on the south side probably checked us. Niggas on the 45 and they acting reckless. Niggas same shit, maybe stitch your check necklace. Niggas on the look expect this. Curtis Jackson, better respect this. Since the 80s, 645 shit's crazy. Ass Slim Shady, Eminem knows, but he cause we selling him soul to Dr. Dre's son. Now he's dead, yeah, I know. Us was an accident, that's what they thought. That's what you believe, but that's not the way. That's how they achieve the real command. And fuck Jay-Z and the Beyonce. Rich block Mitch better pay me. American gangster, nigga use a snitch, motherfucker prankster. Real gangsters in the Moscow, praying 5 down to God, ain't no Moscow. Did the Laco, 26-foot block like my nigga Paco. America me, all blood in, that's what crazy deal. Niggas outside 45 past the steel. My niggas on the ride on the 6 with the bill. But I got the 6 with the Sicilian real. Dark agenda, 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 dark agenda.